The 13th station. Jesus is laid in the tomb. We adore you, O Christ, and we bless you. Because by your holy cross you have redeemed the world. When evening fell, a wealthy man, Joseph of Arimathea, arrived. He was another of Jesus' disciples, and had gone to request the body of Jesus. Thereupon, Pilate issued an order for its release. Taking the body, Joseph wrapped it in fresh linen and laid it on his new tomb, on which it had been hewn from a formation of a rock. Then he rolled a huge stone across the entrance of the tomb and went away. Matthew 27:57-60. Prayer. Lord Jesus, the dark night of death has engulfed you. Only bright lights are the tender love of your mother, the faithfulness of John, the friendship of Joseph, Arimathea, and the others. You are laid in the tomb, like a precious treasure placed in a chest, like a seed hidden in the soil. Your burial gives meaning to hope and our trials. Thanks to you, they have become tranquil sleep in the lap of Mother Earth, trusting awaken and is awaking. Its joyful awakening of the dawn of your resurrection will break the fetters of death forever.